In today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve an easy, perfect wing liner. Eyeliner tutorial, I'm going to be using the Carrot liquid eyeliner. The first thing you want to start is to start with the outer part of your eyelid, so the outer corner of your eyelid, by drawing a line very close to your lash line and extending the line a little out of your original eyelid. Then you come in the middle of your eyelid, like under your eyes, the line that demarcates your upper and your lower eyelid. Then draw another line. Then try to merge both lines together. And you go ahead and fill in sparse areas. That is it for the wing. You keep checking to know if it's a straight line or if the line is curved or not. So at every time I apply eyeliner, or at every step, I tend to look at the mirror to check if I am still on the right track. So I'm just trying to connect dots, short strokes connecting into the wing, short strokes connecting into the wing, short strokes connecting into the wing, and making sure that I am very close to my lash line. So guys, you keep connecting it, you keep connecting the strokes while you try to make sure there are no